Welcome to DJM TV.
Make una come listen to wetin Chief Justice of Nigeria tell court judges.
My correct pipo, we greet una. We welcome una to DJM TV where ogbonge tori and update dey shele. So if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una hurry now go subscribe o, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime wey be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified sharply. And make una no forget to follow us on our Facebook page. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and update wey we carry come for una.
Justice Ariwoola, wey be Chief Justice of Nigeria, don send strong warning to court judges against corruption, favouritism and oda mago-mago when dem dey give their judgement to my people. If una recall, some time ago, I think after the presidential election and the declaration of president-elect wey matter come take enter tribunal, dis same Justice Ariwoola na im follow back in a cunning manner dat time take go see Babati for UK before dis tribunal sitting when pipo come begin drag her up and down unto say as e wan take start as dem wan take start mago-mago for the tribunal sitting proceedings, na dem come begin drag her up and down. Na dis same judge, so dis same Justice Ariwoola, see im face, na im dat time now im dey come out now dey talk say make all dis judges so make dem dey transparent, stay away from corruption and all dis kind thing. Dis talk get as e be o, whether dis one na game or dis one na dem wan use the minds of Nigerians take play games, nobody know. Anyway, my people, I go leave una now make una watch the video, make una see am for una sef when im dey talk wetin e dey talk about the warning wey e pass give judges. Make una watch the video make una see wetin e talk for una sef.
I, Supreme Emmanuel Anjuma, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as a judge of the National Industrial Board of Nigeria, I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability and faithfully.
You have just taken the oath that is meant to pledge your allegiance to the dictates of the Almighty God, the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and of course, your conscience. It is a solemn pledge and commitment to good conduct in the course of your adjudication as judges of the National Industrial Court of Nigeria. We are not here for long speeches, but simply to realign your minds with what is expected of you at this enviable level of adjudication on industrial and allied disputes. Many high-profile cases will definitely come to you, and they may likely come in company of some juicy, irresistible temptations, especially when they involve mouth-watering financial and business transactions. I'm making it clear to you now that you must flee from such disguised danger. Your reputation and integrity matter much, and it counts enormously in your rise to honor and fame in life. Let me point out unambiguously that in life, gifts and wealth that are not worked for, which are by extension undeserving, are always wrapped in calamity and destruction. Flee from them and keep your heads high above the murky waters of corruption and favoritism, so that you can be conveniently counted among the very best in the Nigerian judiciary. You must, against all odds, conduct your affairs within the ambit of the law and the oath that you have just been administered on you. If you were hitherto 50% under public scrutiny, I can then confidently tell you now that it has automatically risen to 100% by virtue of this appointment. This tempo of public assessment of your conduct and disposition will now assume astronomical proportion. You must equally redouble your effort and dialogue properly with your conscience in order not to fall out of the grace of Almighty God and the Nigerian people. It absolutely takes nothing to join the crowd, but it takes quite a lot to stand alone with good conscience. Several novel business and industrial disputes are occurring in the country virtually on daily basis that have now inevitably made litigations to go on a steady rise. No court in the land is spared of this. We are constantly on our toes, and the dockets are ever rising in response to the challenges of the time. This underscores the fact that Nigeria ranks among the most litigious countries in the whole world. The onus is on your lordships to fasten your belt and roll up your sleeves to face the challenges head on. You must redouble your pace to catch up with the expectations of the litigants. As judicial officers, you have a defined mandate on earth that you must discharge with unveiled honesty and sincerity. You must give good account of yourselves to justify your appointment. However, if you decide to do the contrary, of course, the sledgehammer will, without hesitation, descend heavily on you. No judicial officer at any level of our courts will be allowed to drag the reputation of the Nigerian judiciary into the mud. We can't come this far to fail. Take heed of this admonition by working rightly towards occupying an enviable space in the annals of the Nigerian judiciary. My lords, I congratulate you on your well-deserved appointment and sincerely wish you the very best that you can achieve in this strategic position you now occupy. Thank you and God bless you, Lord.
Hey, my people, not be small warning, I've been a guideline, so Chief Justice, they give all this our newly judges, so warning like this, so. Anyway, my people, and the updates will carry come from now this time. This make una drop on a comment and a reason and a share, and make una don't forget to like and share. Una do well. See you in our next video. DJ